Hello, dear students. This is Vivek Vaibhav, and you are watching lecture on climate of Bharat, class 8 geography, lecture second. In the last video, we have learned what is the learning objective of this chapter, what is climate and weather, and all about the weather's element. What is the elements of weather? Today, we are going to discuss climatic controls. Okay, so what types of factors of climate control we are going to discuss today. Climate controls are many factors because you see quite often the not variation in temperature in also India's climate and in the other world also. There are six major climate controls. There are latitude, altitude, and distance from sea, ocean currents, relief features, and pressure and winds. We are going to discuss today this and factors affecting India's climate of some parts because it is too lengthy. So we are only a few we are going to discuss today. So friends, climatic control in a latitude when it's come to talking about in the India scenario also, and because India is the subtropical regions in India, the plateau peninsular part of the India is actually nearer to equator. It is Kanyakumari is 8 degree 4 minute north latitude. So in the above we have 37 degree and the 6 minute latitude of northernmost part of India. So this is big difference. 8 degree that means nearer to equator and 37 degree that means temperate zone. Okay, so this is about latitude, and when you go higher we have less temperature and less pressure also, but when you nearer from equator we gain high temperature and low pressure. So it is very impactful for the purpose of climate control. Altitude again is the very crucial things when it's come to talking about climate control. As you know that higher altitude we have temperature, low temperature and high pressure. No, low pressure. Both are low. So low temperature, low pressure, high altitude, and due to this, in the high altitude zone, we have a cold type of climatic region. Distance from sea, as you know that in India also, the place nearer to coastal plain having face um, even types of temperature difference and in day and night. But when you go away from sea part, we feel in a cold, bitter cold, and in summer we face hot summer days and a scorching sun in that particular area. So this is also important climatic control factors. Again, ocean currents also, some currents are cold, some currents are hot, and some currents are lukewarm. So this is very impactful even in when you will learn about El Nino factors. You can easily understand about ocean currents, how Peruvian currents uh, impact false impact on El Nino current, ocean current. So in the relief features, we have relief features that means distance from the sea and the altitude difference is relief features. So in mountain parts, we have cold type of climate zone. In plain part, we have hot winds. So this is and this relief feature in India, it is a Himalaya which is great barrier for cold and hot winds both. Okay, the Siberian cold winds uh, it is a barrier, which is why not enter in our Indian region. So this is Bharati region. This is all about the climate control. Now factors affecting India's climate, Bharata's climate. So we have so many factors. We are going to discuss in a next video lecture these all things. But latitudinal location, distance from sea, the Himalaya, physiography, monsoon winds, upper air circulation, El Nino, La Nino, and tropical cyclone and western disturbance. And uh, one more thing is that ITCZ, Intertropical Convergence Zone, which is not very much given in your book. So, but it is also factors affecting India's climate. Look at this. This is the mountain part, and this is the plain part. This is plateau part, and this is coastal region. So this is very physiographic division, which is totally depends on uh, how climate in India is and will be. Okay. So thank you so much.